In this video, we'll cover how to access the full text of an article and identify the helpful features of a record in a library database. Once you have some search results, you can see a number of ways to access an article's full text just below the title. In most cases, you'll want to figure out whether the article is relevant to your research before selecting these options by looking at an article's record, a page that provides more details about the article itself. To access the record, click on the title of the article you're interested in looking at. This is an article record. It contains helpful information such as the author, the source, and hyperlinked subject terms that you can click on to find more resources on those topics. You'll also see the abstract, which provides a summary of the article so you can tell whether the article is relevant to your research. To the right, you'll notice some other helpful features, such as emailing the record to yourself, or the citation feature that provides a citation for the article in a number of styles such as MLA and APA. To access the article, look to the left of the record. If you see the HTML full text or PDF full text options, you can simply click either of those to get to the full text. Sometimes you will see a button that says Find It, which means the article is not available in the database you're looking at, but you can click on it to see whether it is available in another StackState database. After we click, a window will pop open telling us whether it is available and where. We see here it is available in another database. Now we can just click on this option to get to the PDF. If you do not see the full text available, click on Sign In and you can request the article via Interlibrary Loan, a free service that allows you to request resources from around the world.